Hello everyone. I made these spinach tortillas, and these are so good. They're actually a multi-grain tortilla. I placed all-purpose flour, oatmeal flour or oat flour, and brown rice flour and whole wheat flour, and mixed in with this, and then I added some grapeseed and oil and some extra virgin olive oil, and I even added a little bit of expeller pressed canola. I know a lot of you are so afraid of canola but many people have been eating it for years. And anyways, and then I mixed it in with some cooked spinach, and I blended the spinach, and they came out pretty nice. I mean, considering that they're a multi-grain. And so I'm reheating them, and what I made was this chunky hamburger, like this burger fajita stuff. Let me see if I can get that focused in a little bit more. There you go. And they're just chunks of lean beef sauteed with cooked and sauteed with bell peppers and cremini mushrooms and onions. So I don't know if you remember those burrito burgers. I don't know who had them, but it's going to be similar to that. And I'm going to go ahead and just reheat my tortilla. And I do have some recipes for tortilla, and you would just adjust the liquids with the blended and cooked and blended spinach mixture. And I also put add the salt in the spinach, so I don't have to add the salt to the flour, and then the baking powder, of course. So I think that's heated up pretty nicely. And then, oops, it's pretty hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my plate. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my burgers. And this is really easy. I mean, your kids will love this if you make this. Really easy to make. And yeah. So, and then just add some of your mixture. And what I did was I mixed this is mayo, mustard, and a little bit of ketchup. And I want it more mustardy than anything. And then just add that. And like I said, this would be great for the kids. The kids will love this. And if you want to add, I'm going to add some tomatoes in mine because I want some tomatoes. If you want to add some lettuce, I don't feel like having lettuce. So, and then add my onions. And then there you have it. You have a nice, like, hamburger burrito. Add some more sauce if you want. And it's really good. So you should try it. You could use regular tortillas with that. And I just wanted to show you that. It's a real easy recipe to do. I think you'll enjoy it. And, okay. And I'll talk to you soon. Alrighty. Have a good one. And enjoy your hamburger burrito.